Okay, what other better place to do an update than the Waynesburg Trailhead at the Cardinal Greenway? I got a bunch of stickers, self-addressed, self-stamped envelopes. I might do a prize where I send you guys an envelope of miscellaneous decals. I never put them on my bikes. I just put them on my mutt guards and an ass saver. My seat was hurting my ass, and the guy told me he had leveled it, and it wasn't level at all. It was facing up, so I put it level. Again, it's got the all Shimano equipped and it's a 3x7, and I have cranks at the house, which I showed you before, and they will be on tomorrow. The only thing I've done right now is put the new quick release, and I put my faded off of that one, but my Tech bar ends on that, and in order to do that, instead of ruining my nice Diamondback grip, since I'll be getting rid of this whole mech right here and the whole front mech tomorrow, I got a pair of lock-ons, actually red ones, and I will be putting them on, and I will of course have to cut them and cut the right one a lot. And I love these riser bars. They're wide and nice, but I think I love these riser bars. They're very high and wide and nice for me because I'm taller, but I think I'm gonna have to go with wider bars when I switch to the 1x, just so I have extra grip on that side over there, because that's the back gears. The only thing on my cockpit is this 3-beamer from Planet Bike. It's just a little 1000 lumen light, and it's got blink, which lasts for 4 hours, continuous, which lasts for 2, and it starts dimming after about an hour. But they make accessories, and this right here, you push the button down and you slide it forward and it comes off. You can put cameras that they make and everything on it. But that's the update right now. I can't wait to show you guys my 1x system I'll be putting on it tomorrow. Alright, I'm gonna do some middle of the night, early morning riding. It's like 3 in the morning. Well, here I go. Alright, well, Diamondback Response Stinger 26er. I love these rotors. And I love mechanical. You don't have to deal with oil and shit. Still a pain in the ass, in my opinion, to change the pads, but they don't wear out near as much. And as you can see, it's a 6-bolt European bottom bracket, and that middle wire will be gone tomorrow, because that is the front mech. And alright, well, I'm gonna go riding. Get at you guys later. Say goodbye to Black Beauty, and I'll get at you tomorrow when I get that one by on. Alright, peace out. Later.